Guys, we are here at Mahagastota Speed Festival. This is actually the second race of the season. Grasshopper looking beautiful. Alright guys, so we're just going on a walk to check the condition of the track. The race is not today, it's tomorrow. I think since we had a couple of practice sessions, we are good to give a good competition to all the other competitors. Perfect, 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 time guys. This is Eliyakanda, who is running SLGT cars up to 3500 event. We are having a lot of fun here. 3 race days. So guys, let me tell you, we have 2 new competitors for our team. One is Kavin. They are competing the Nissan March 1000cc event. This is one of those, and the other one is that. So these are new babies to our team. The representing team are PG.
Hi, actually this is the hydraulic handbrake, and this one is the anti-lag switch what we are using on this one, and these 2 buttons are for the dash cover. And making අපි කරන්නේ කාය ගොඩක් කරාට මේ හරව ගන්න එක ටයිට් කෝනර්ස් වල මේක ඇද්දාම කාගේ පස්සේ ටයර්ස් එක ලොක් කරනවා. මේක අපිට හරව ගන්න ලේසි වෙනවා. මේක ඇන්ටි ලැග් එක දැම්මම බූස්ට් එකට ඒ කාර් එක අපි ට්‍රොටල් කන්ට්‍රෝල් එකදී එක්ස්ට්‍රා පවර් එකක් දෙනවා. බූස්ට් වෙනවා මේ දෙක dash cover එක අපිට ඕන විදිහට සිලෙක්ට් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ලැප් ටයිමර් එකයි fuel pressure, oil pressure බලන්න. ඒකයි මේක AVCR එක boost control එක. ඒකයි මේක kill switch එක අපි race car එක වශයෙන් හැම වෙලාවෙම මේක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. අනතුරක් වෙච්ච වෙලාවට එළියෙන් ටක් ගාලා ඕන එක්කෙනෙක්ට off කරන්න පුළුවන් මේක. ඒකට.
Alright guys, we are going to go for a practice session and see how it feels like. All new stickers. So guys, we are done with the first practice session before the race day. This is the previous day of the race. It's a freaking cold environment guys. We are walking towards the ground where we kept cars parked. So hope you guys have a good one. This is our crew vehicle. It's a very cold morning. People are getting ready to compete the race, and we have our babies back here sitting peacefully on the carriers. Perfect. Welcome back to the second race of the season. I'm V from Drive Sri Lanka, and if you haven't watched our first race of the season, make sure to click on that link below because I don't want you guys to miss this one out. We had a very successful start by winning 2 podiums. One for the SLGT event, cars up to 3500, driven by Tiron Hendavitarna, which was our main event, the Grasshopper. And the other one was Subaru cars up to 2000cc, which was driven by Asanga Bandara. So we had a very successful start, and we are here at Mahagastota Speed Festival. Let's race, ladies and gentlemen. We have a little bit of situation here. This jeep is stuck and we are using a two vehicle to tow it out. We're actually heading to the track for the Subaru Cars Up to 2000 event. I'm just going to go down there and see the scenario. By the way, this view is insane. Look at that. So much green. These are the beautiful babies that are competing and representing our team RPG. Weerasignhe is ready to go. And we have Menaka. Menaka is also ready to go. Guys, we are done for the day. It was an exhausting day, but it went really good, but it didn't go as we thought. We didn't win the SLGT event this time. We won first, second and the third for the Subaru Cars Up to 2000cc event, which was a really good achievement for our team. See you in the next video. Till that,